Hello everyone, welcome to Money Mantra. The stocks which I posted is only for the study purpose. If someone interested, please analyze yourself before investing or trading. So the current price of the stock is 118.35 rupees. The earnings per share is 21.45. The market capital is 342.588 billion. The dividend is 12.45 and the yield is 12.61. The revenue is 258.81 billion. The P ratio is 5.45, PB ratio is 1, the face value is 1, and the 1 year return is 22.19%. And when we see the 52-week range, the lowest is 92.25 and the highest is 175.35. The debit to equity is 0.1085. The next earnings day is on 9th of February 2023. So when we see the income statement, the revenue of the stocks is for the second quarter 33.28 billion. The net income is 9.72 billion and the profit margin is 29.21%. So when we compare to the 2021 second quarter, this is actually quite lower. So when we see the balance sheet, the total asset is 265.89 billion and the liability is 60.70 billion. The debit to asset is 22.83%. So the debit is almost, when we see, is less than 25%. So it's quite okay. So when we see the earnings of the second quarter, the actual is 3 and the estimate is 2.56, but it is surprised 17.37%. It gets increased. And the cash flow, the operating cash flow is 80.20 billion and the investing cash flow is minus 54.86 billion and the financing is minus 28.77 billion. So the revenue, when we compare to the revenue of the second quarter, the actual revenue is 33.28 billion and the estimated is 37 and it is surprised to be minus 4.49 billion. It's surprised. That is actually what we are expected. It is lower. So the stocks, actually the financial statements, when we see the total revenue is 33.28 billion and the gross profit is 12.49 billion. The operating income is 7.77 billion. Pre-tax income is 11.85 billion and the net income is 9.72 billion. So when we see the shareholders pattern, the promoters is 60.79%. The foreign institutional investors is 5.94%. The domestic institutional investors is 20.98%. The public is 12.27% and the others is 0.02%. So here actually the promoters is exceeding to be 60 and the domestic is 20%, 20.91%. So when we see the graph of these stocks, actually these stocks expected to be of 135.95, which it moves on April of 2021 and 2022 April. So then it is slider down, it's a ladder down and it reaches to be 68 and then it is to be trended to, now it is trending to 118. So we are expecting these stocks will be moved till 135.95 and it will be trend down to be 100. Then it should be expected to become 86 and 68. So if it is willing to accumulate these stocks, they can buy now even at 118 and they can sell around 130, 135, 136. At the same time, if they try to accumulate a large, they can wait till 100, it will be trend down. Then they can accumulate a half, then after they can accumulate at 86, and if it is going below even, it is better they can accumulate more at 68 rupees. So the stocks which we are seeing is NMDC Limited, was formerly known as a National Mineral Development Corporation Limited. It was incorporated in 1958 and is headquartered in Hyderabad, India. Together with its subsidiaries, explores for and produces iron ore in India. It explores for a range of minerals such as iron ore, copper, rock phosphate, limestone, dolomite, gypsum, bedrock, magnetism, diamond, tin, tungsten, graphite, beach sands, etc., as well as gold and coal. The company primarily holds interest in the Willard iron ore and in Krubdal complex and Bachelor complex, Chhattisgarh. Donimalai iron ore mines located in various regions, including Donimalai, Kumarasamy, and Ramadurai in Karnataka, and diamond mining projects located in Panna, Madhya Pradesh. It also produces sponge iron and pellets and generates a sells wind power. The company also exports iron ore products to Japan, South Korea. So if you are willing to buy, please analyze yourself and you can purchase it. Thank you.